and today I've got a huge haul of Easter eggs to share with you. I have Shopkins, a blue egg with a blue bunny that has lollipop rings inside, and also I have a huge bag of NOM NUMS, 16 eggs inside. Awesome! Let's start with the blue egg with the blue bunny. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh wow! We've got 3 different lollipop rings. So we've got a yellow one, which I think is a bunny, a red one, which I think is a hen, and a last one, a blue one, which is a bird. Let's take them out their wrappers. They look amazing and they smell delicious. Which one do you think I should eat first? Now let's open our Shopkins eggs. Here we go. Oh wow! So we have a little Shopkins leaflet showing all of the ones that we can collect. Oh, look at Tia ice cream taco, or cake cupcake, so sweet, or petite tart. They're so cool. And there's more on the other side. Lots of different colours and even rare ones. That's awesome. So let's see what Shopkins we have. Oh, it's so cute. And this one is Monique macaroon cake. So sweet. And what's inside the other bag? Well, it's different. It's pink. Oh, look, it's very cute. And it looks like we have Jenny jelly slice. So cool. Okay, let's take a look at our second Shopkins egg. Here we go. Oh wow, we have our little leaflet and we have our 2 Shopkins toys. I wonder what's going to be inside. Okay, let's undo the first one. Oh wow, she looks so cute. Let's find out her name. It's Kyoko Cupcake. Oh, she's so sweet. And let's take a look at the next one. Oh wow! It's only Mackenzie Maple Donut and she's licking her lips. That's awesome. I'm loving what we have so far. But now it's time for our NOM NUMS egg hunt. And there are 16 of them. That's super cool. Okay, let's tip them out into a bowl that I have. Wow, they're all different colours. Okay, let's start with the first one. This is what's inside the sweetie eggs. Let's take a look and have a look at what's inside the golden nom nom egg. Wow, she looks so cute. And we have another picture here and another picture here. Here we go. Wow, we have some more sweets and we have lots of nom nom stickers. So cool. And it says that they're scented. That's amazing.